At the pharmacy.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I need something for a headache.
Do you get headaches often?
No, just today. I didn't sleep well.
You can take ibuprofen or acetaminophen, Tylenol.
What's the difference?
Ibuprofen can also reduce inflammation.
Which is better?
For a normal headache, either one works.
Okay, I'll take ibuprofen.
200 milligrams or 400 milligrams?
400 milligrams. How often can I take it?
Up to 3 times a day with food.
Why with food?
It's easier on your stomach.
Any side effects?
Sometimes stomach irritation.
Okay, how much is it?
$6.50 for a 20-count bottle.
I'll take it.
Anything else?
Do you have nasal spray?
Yes, for congestion.
Yes, I have a cold.
Use it 3 to 4 times daily, 1 spray per nostril. Don't use it longer than 7 days.
Why not longer?
It can cause rebound congestion.
Got it.
That's $7.
Do you have cough syrup? I have a dry cough.
Sure. This one is a cough suppressant.
How much should I take?
10 milliliters, 3 to 4 times a day.
Great.
That's $10.
I'll take it.
Throat lozenges too? Honey or menthol?
Honey, please.
Great. Those are $5.
And vitamin C. Maybe fizzy tablets?
Sure. Orange flavor is popular. That's $7.
Okay.
Your total is $35.50.
Here's my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Feel better and drink lots of fluids.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care.